Okay, Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano for today's recipe, Bucatini, Cacio e Pepe. Let's go. Ingredients for the cacio e pepe, very simple. We do fresh bucatini, homemade. We make it at the restaurant. Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, black pepper. A lot of people don't know. They don't know how to make cacio e pepe because it comes like a really, it almost like the cheese melts and it's not really a creamy thing, like, you know. So what they do, they put the butter or they put the cream. They cheat because they don't know how to do it. But here we're gonna show you how to do it. First, let's start with the pepper. We're gonna toss some black pepper. This is a little trick that gives a lot of flavor to the pasta. Don't be afraid. This is called cacio e pepe. You have to put pepper. You have to be afraid. Once this is toasting, we're gonna put a little bit of water and we're gonna release all the flavor. And we're gonna leave the water inside with the flavor of the pepper. And you're gonna have to have this thing. You see this? This is what gives flavor to your cacio e pepe. Now we're gonna do the base for the cheese, the cacio. Kind of means cheese. It's a cacio e pepe. So we're gonna put a little bit of water, the cooking water, and we're gonna put it right there, okay? See? No butter, no cream. Just water and cheese. Gonna have to cook the pasta. The bucatini takes 6 minutes. All right. Now we're gonna put the pasta here in this cacio e pepe water. Voila. Saute the water and the pepper. All right. Water is the secret. We let it warm up everything. It's gonna warm the water. Amazing, amazing. Cacio e pepe like you never had before. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bing, bong, bang. So you see my cacio e pepe? You see this? You see? You see, this is cheese. I warmed this up a little bit on top of the fire. Just very gentle. Just warm it up so it becomes a little more liquid. So remember, if it's too liquid, you put too much water, so you put more cheese. If it's too solid, you have to put a little bit of water. Okay, but this is done, finished. And then we're gonna put it inside this. And we're gonna finish it there. And we're gonna move it like that. Okay. You don't need cream. You see, here you go, your cacio e pepe. You know, there we go. Boom. That's what you do. Now, you put it right there. Okay, you put it right there. Your wonderful cacio e pepe. Look at the cream. Look at this. Look at that. With the toasted pepper. Finish it with the cheese on top. Here we go. From Borti Pasta. What is this? Cacio e pepe. Look at that. Look at this. See it? Amazing. Look at the cream. No cream inside, no butter. Just cheese and water. Just a little trick. Really nice. Excellent. Wow. Life, pasta, and good wine. Cheers, guys. Thank you.